Tom is a young man. He lives in a small town. The town is quiet and safe. Tom likes his town. He likes his life. He works in a small shop. The shop is old. It has wood shelves and glass windows. Every day he opens the shop at 9 o'clock. Every night he locks the door at 5 o'clock. One evening, Tom finds a strange box. The box is under a tree near his shop. It is small and wooden. It has a red ribbon. Tom thinks, why is this box here? He picks it up. He feels cold. The wind is strong. The sky is dark. Tom is afraid. He walks home with the box. In his home, Tom opens the box. Inside is a small key and a note. The note is old. The paper is yellow. The note has one sentence. Find the door at the old school. Tom is curious. He knows the old school. He sees it every day. It is behind the hill. It is closed now. It has many windows. Some windows are broken. Tom lives alone. He has one friend. Her name is Anna. Anna is a teacher. She knows the old school. Tom calls Anna. He says, Anna, I have a mystery. I need your help. Anna answers, I am ready. I will come now. At 8 o'clock, Anna arrives at Tom's home. Tom shows her the box. Anna sees the key. She sees the note. Anna says, this is strange. No one talks about the old school. People say it is haunted. Tom is quiet. He is a little scared. Anna holds his hand. She says, we will be fine. We will go together. They leave the house. The wind is cold. The night is quiet. They walk to the old school. The building is big. It is dark. The door is closed. The door has a lock. Tom puts the key in the lock. It fits. Tom turns the key. The lock clicks. The door opens slowly. Anna and Tom go inside. The floor is old wood. It creaks. They walk in the hall. The hall is long. There are many doors. The windows let in moonlight. The moon is bright. Shadows move on the walls. Tom feels his heart beat fast. Anna holds a small lamp. The lamp is old, but it works. It gives a yellow light. They see a door at the end of the hall. The door is different. It has a mark. The mark is a circle with a star. It is the same mark on the box. Anna says, this is the right door. Tom nods. He opens the door. The room is empty. There is a table in the middle. On the table is a book and a photo. Tom picks up the book. It is old. The cover is dark green. He opens the book. The pages are empty. He turns page after page. All pages are empty. He is confused. He says, why is this book empty? Anna takes the photo. The photo is black and white. It shows a man and a woman. They smile. They stand in front of the old school. They look happy. Tom says, who are they? Anna looks closely. She sees a name on the back of the photo. The name is Lily and Mark, 1950. Anna gasps. She looks at Tom. She says, Lily is my grandmother. Mark is my grandfather. They studied here. Tom is surprised. He says, your grandmother? But she never told us about this door. She never told us about a box or a key. Anna is sad. She says, I do not know. I never see this photo. They hear a noise. It is in the hall. It sounds like footsteps. They stop. They listen. The footsteps come closer. Tom and Anna hide in the room. The lamp is low. The hall light is dark. The footsteps are near. A person enters the room. The person wears a coat. The person is tall. The person sees them. The person says, "I know you found the key. I need the book." Tom stands up. He holds the book. Anna stands too. Anna says, "Who are you?" The person takes off the coat. It is an old man. His name is Mr. Green. He is the janitor of the school. He is old and thin. His face is serious. "Mr. Green says, I have the next page for this book. I need to finish it." Tom says, "Why is this book empty? What is inside?" Mr. Green says, "This book is a diary. It has a secret. The diary has a story of Lily and Mark. They loved each other. They had a plan. They built a machine. The machine can see the future. But the machine is dangerous. They hid the machine in the school. They wrote about it here. But they never finished the diary. They hide the pages under the old floor. The pages can show the machine code." Anna says, "A machine to see the future?" Mr. Green nods. "Yes, it works if you have all pages. If you read it, you can know the future." Tom is quiet. He looks at Anna. Anna feels afraid. She says, "I do not want to see the future." Mr. Green says, "I will finish the diary, then I will find the machine. I will destroy it. The machine is too dangerous for everyone." Tom says, "How can we help?" Mr. Green shows a map. The map is old paper. It has a mark on the floor. It shows a box under a floor tile in this room. They look at the map. They see a square near the door. The square is a floor tile. It hides something. Mr. Green taps the tile with his shoe. The tile moves. Tom lifts the tile. Under the tile is a small safe. The safe is metal. It has a code lock. Mr. Green says, "The code is the date of Lily and Mark. It is 02-14-1950. He enters the code. The safe opens. Inside are many papers. The papers are old and yellow. They have handwriting. Anna takes one paper. She reads, "We are Lily and Mark. We are in love. We build a machine to see tomorrow. We are afraid if the machine is lost, we hide the code. We hide the code in this diary. We hide the machine here. We hope no one will find it." Tom says, "This is a secret love and a secret machine. It is a big story." Anna is quiet. She looks at the papers. She sees a sketch. The sketch is the machine. It has wheels, a box, and wires. She says, "The machine is under the school. It is under the floor here. We need to find it." They use their hands to move floor tiles. They move many tiles. They put the lamp on the floor. The lamp light is small. Under the floor is a hole. The hole is dark. Mr. Green says, "Be careful." Tom and Anna go down. They see a corridor under the school. The corridor is low. They walk carefully. They hear water and wind. They walk for a minute. They come to a big door. The door is metal. It has wires. It has a small window with red glass. Tom tries the door. It is locked. Mr. Green uses a key from his pocket. It is an old key. He opens the door. Inside the room they see the machine. It is big and strange. It has a box and wires. It has 2 chairs. It has a screen. The screen is dark. Mr. Green steps forward. He touches a switch. The machine hums. The screen lights on one word. Help. They all jump. The machine is alive. Anna says, "We should turn it off." Tom nods. He wants to go. Mr. Green presses another switch. He says, "No. We need to finish the diary. We need to know how it works." He opens his coat and takes the diary. He writes new pages. He writes, "I, Mr. Green, finish the story of Lily and Mark. I record the machine code. I will destroy the machine after this. I promise." He writes until the lamp is low. Then he stops. He has many pages in the diary. He closes the diary. He goes to the machine. He presses a red button. The machine stops. The screen is dark. The hum is gone. Mr. Green says, "Now I will destroy it." He takes a tool from his pocket. It is a small hammer. He hits a wheel. The wheel breaks. He hits a wire. The wire cuts. He hits the screen. It cracks. He hits many parts. The machine is broken. Anna and Tom watch. They are sad. Tom says, "It is over." Anna says, "Yes, it is over. But we have a story. We have a diary." Mr. Green nods. He says, "Yes, we have a diary. We have the story of love. We have the memory of Lily and Mark. That is more important than the machine." They go up. They close the metal door. They place the tiles. They close the room door. They walk out of the old school. The sun is rising. The sky is pink and orange. The wind is calm. Tom and Anna breathe fresh air. They smile. Tom says, "This was a strange night." Anna says, "Yes, a strange night and a good story." They walk home. They carry the diary. They plan to share the story with the town. They plan to tell Lily and Mark's story. They plan to share love and memory, not a dangerous machine.